So this is going to be a quick look at what's in the box of a brand new 2020 Baratza Encore. This is the base model. Let's see how it goes. Here we have the quick start guide. This is just a basic sort of instruction manual about how to use your Encore. Nice packaging, very secure, fully wrapped and encased in styrofoam. This is the lid for the hopper. Here's the bean hopper itself. There's the grinder body. There's nothing else in the packaging. It's a standard 110 US style outlet. This is some desiccant. You want to throw this out as soon as you get this and unbox it. Here's the Encore. Missing the button. Hopefully that is in here. There's your little knob. Cleaning brush. And this is a little rubber piece that goes on top of the grinder under the hopper to direct the beans. Sort of like this. Get that done in a minute. Here's the Encore itself. It's in black. It's also sold in white. There's a higher end model with a chrome body, I believe, called the Preciso, something like that. Or the Preciso Plus, something like that. Anyway, this is the actual base model, the Baratza Encore. The Preciso, whatever it is similar. It has more precision measurements in the grinding, and it has metal to the body. It also has a timer, whereas the Encore just has the on-off button. There are the burrs in there and a plastic housing. All these parts inside are replaceable and adjustable. Baratza logo, anti-skid feet on the bottom, and then very little on the back. So the bean holder, after you grind the beans, slides right in here. And there we have a fully assembled Baratza Encore grinder. Thanks for watching.